guys, it's Alexandra with WTI.
This is the Moroccanoil Blonde Perfecting Purple Shampoo. And if you're a blonde, you know a good purple shampoo is a must. After some time, my blonde hair starts to go a bit yellow. Water pollutants and other buildup will start to weigh down on the hair and make it a brassy color. To liven up my hair, I use about a handful of purple shampoo. I love the way this smells. It's like bathing with a bunch of candy. The violet is really rich, and the texture is nice and thick, so it makes an easy pairing with any other shampoo. For great results, you can even use it on its own. It lathers so nicely and just covers all of my hair. And the results are amazing. This formula combats any yellow or brassy tones. You can see in the light here how it just livens up my hair. The white part is actually white, and the other highlights are brought up a tone as well.
And that's my point of view.